With legacy adhesives, measuring mixing ratios is a nightmare. Fabricators are left guessing with no tools for accuracy or consistency. Don't get us started on color matching. Years of trial and error. Even worse, approximately 10% of males have some level of color blindness. Introducing Stone Seam, a knife-grade adhesive that offers 32 premixed color pigments in conveniently measured dosing pump cans. Stone Seam is a complete color matching system designed specifically for natural and engineered stones.
This is the first ever knife-grade seaming adhesive that's packaged in this eco-friendly foil pouches. What that does for you is it's lightweight, easy to store, easy to ship.
Say goodbye to the guesswork and inconsistency of traditional color matching methods. Just download our easy-to-use smartphone app with hundreds of color formulas at your fingertips. The Stone Seam app makes color matching a breeze. With our recipes, over-catalyzing is a thing of the past. You'll achieve precise and consistent colors every time.
Squeeze a little bit of product. This is going to be plenty to do a 2-foot seam. And I can just cut it off clean like that with no mess.
Whether you're a seasoned pro or have inexperienced fabricators on your team, Stone Seam will ramp up your color matching process quickly and efficiently. Unlike legacy adhesives that turn yellow and become brittle when cured, Stone Seam is also UV resistant, non-yellowing, and approved for both indoor and outdoor use. Don't settle for less. Stone Seam's non-yellowing formula and easy-to-follow recipes ensure that your color matches are spot on, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating exceptional results. We get it. You trust products that you've used for years and need to see it yourself to believe it. That's why we're offering a special $49.99 trial kit. And for a limited time, we're offering free shipping on trial kits using code TRYSTONESEAM. We're so confident that you'll love Stone Seam. We offer a 100% money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied.